Local news for Thursday, the 27th of February. The Marston Town Hall facade has had a stay of execution for now. Councillors requesting design costs and location scoping to continue, with the vote being 6-5. Wairarapa farmers are opening their gates as part of a nationwide open day this Sunday. Palliser Ridge, Motunui and Bankshot farms are all available to visit, giving guests an understanding of farming practices and an insight into what farmers do. A discount microchipping event will be held at the southern end of Henley Lake tonight. Animal services staff will be on hand with chipping, available for a discounted price of $10, including the cost of the chip. And the latest figures from Kiwi Rail show that last year had the lowest number of collisions between vehicles and trains on record. Kiwi Rail Chief Executive Greg Miller says rail fatalities are all avoidable, and we're turning Rail Safety Week into a year-round focus on safety. We can see it's bearing results, including spending $4 million at Wairarapa's Wainawa Log Yard to improve safety and efficiency. And finally in sport, the Giants Major B Women and Under-13s are at home this weekend, while the Under-15s are away to Wainui at Fraser Park. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.